Nashville realtor Michael Cadle has reached the top 2% of sales nationwide. He's tenacious about putting his clients first.
You thought you were just buying a house, but in most cases, you're actually making the biggest investment of your lifetime. My passion is to help clients win from every angle. Most folks aren't even aware of the three circles of convergence, being city, story, and market, and that the perfect home is often hidden right where those three circles overlap.
So give me a call. I'd love to take a tour of your dreams with you so that you could tour some of the best homes the market has to offer with me.